CONIC is the largest dedicated turret punch press tooling maker in Japan. CONIC is producing turret punch press tool internally in our own factory, from raw material to machining process, heat treatment process, grinding and quality control with qualified ISO 9001. Those processes are highly determined, then achieved to supply high-quality tool in short delivery. CONIC is proudly introducing a new product which is named ProTech Series Tooling. CONIC ProTech Series Tooling is made from an original design and totally hands-free punch press tool that everyone can do tooling maintenance for stability and preservation of quality in turret punch processing safely, accurately, and speedily. This tool does not need any hand tools like hex wrench when assembling and disassembling. Pulling the guide out with sliding guide lock button to the arrow direction to take easily punch body and guide off. Furthermore, this tool can be adjusted to the accurate height of the punch length easily for servo motor drive turret punch. Set the punch body bottom surface to stripper plate and make just 3 clicks to make the correct punch height. Max punch grinding amount is 5 millimeters on this tool, which totally reduces the production cost. Grinding amount 5 millimeters is about 2.5 times when compared with standard tool. The spring canister's assembling length does not change even when the grind punch body is at max amount. This tool can be perfectly adapted in high-speed processing mode of servo drive turret punch press machine. Concept of ProTech Series tool is protection from processing troubles. Normally, the operator grinds the tools after finding the burr of product. However, frequent tool maintenance changes this circumstance not to make any burrs. Reduction of costs can be realized to keep stability of processing and quality. ProTech Series tooling is really advanced tool. CONIC delivers various tools more quickly, higher quality, at better prices. Please ask our staff about details.